very nice bounce off those highs. You can see here, we've got the strong run, the consolidation, the break, the retest. Decent run, not that strong as it was here, but a decent run, obviously some profit taking coming in. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel for another trading day. Today we'll have a general look at cryptocurrencies, and I will also have a look at gold, the dollar index, and a little bit of individual currency strength. We start kick off with gold. Now gold still a nice move yesterday, but we can see a little bit of a loss of momentum. We started to nibble a little bit on gold here. I'm very nervous about gold to a certain extent. But if I look at the dollar here, it is coming down on the daily chart. So on the 4-hour charts, we are seeing weakening dollar. But if you look at the dollar index at the bigger picture, wow, it still looks quite bullish. But I will not do anything here. I've got my stop loss in here and a very nice market structure here coming in there. So if the market goes through those levels, I will just cut gold trades and just step back and say I will wait for some different signals. The market's quite in sideways disarray. I think all the hype of Trump is done for that matter. He has signed the executive orders now that he wanted to sign. No real surprises, a little bit on tariffs, but there's no real surprises. He's usually a guy that does what he says he's going to do. So nothing else there. But gold, I can't see anything to do now. It's just a question of holding on tight, see how it plays out, and praying for a weaker dollar here. And the weaker the dollar gets, the more gold should go up the page at this stage. If you look at Ethereum, it's still consolidating, still very disappointing that Ethereum haven't even broken out. It's the second biggest cryptocurrency based on market capitalization, going in the sideways range. So I still wait intensely for the breakout on Ethereum. That's when I will really start to look at adding to my Ethereum. So I'm not crazy at this stage. The pattern is very bullish, definitely. If we're going to set targets eventually, we'll see. We can see spectacular moves on this, but the pattern needs to play out. It has tested 1, 2, 3 times, so it's very lethargic, very slow. Breaking these patterns we come to use on cryptocurrencies of that over the years. Once they consolidate, they're very difficult to get out, but once they get out, they fly. So we need to use the opportunities within these sideways ranges to build nice positions and then add to that positions on strong breakouts. Look at Dogecoin. Also retesting. With this one we got the break. We're busy getting the retest. Strong candle reversal. Yeah, I'm very keen. Still testing, walking the line, approaching this rising trend line. So it's not a bad thing. It gives us opportunity to buy into this at good levels. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. XRP, very nice bounce off those highs. You can see here, we've got the strong run, the consolidation, the break, the retest. Decent run, not that strong as it was here, but a decent run, obviously some profit taking coming in. It's up 500% for the year, guys. So it's obviously they will take profits. But a nice, high wave candle, which is not great. If we zoom in a little bit, not my favorite candle, but a nice strong reversal. Stalling yesterday a little bit. We might see another retest, but it's all buying opportunities regarding cryptos at support levels. We want to buy the odds of buying cryptos at support levels. It doesn't mean it's going to work or fly off the page, but the odds are just very high when you get into them at those levels. If you look at Stellar, XLM, retracement, still testing this level. Big consolidation, strong run, big consolidation, strong break, dribbling down the page. You can see as it goes up, nice strong candle, and as it comes down, not that big size candles. You don't want to see those big black candles. We want to see this. So this is the area, this is the coup de grace, this is the place to either add in and then on a confirmation say, all right, now I'm going to add some more. But we're at support levels. We need the market to confirm this as structure. It's not confirmed as structure yet, but it's there. If you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin also retracing after testing, but still could walk the line a little bit. So we would see if we test. The pattern gets confirmed. The test wasn't that strong. The bounce was strong, but not strong enough apparently. So I would see another one, but I would still be buying. I'm still a buyer of Bitcoin. I'm still a buyer of everything that I watch on cryptos. Just find the correct levels. That's it if you want to trade that. So retracement, it feels painful. It feels painful, but this could come down to retest that $99,000 levels again. But you know, the better the market retests, the more sure the market is afterwards when they run. Usually when they test just quickly and then fly, there's always the whales couldn't get those trades. And remember, the market comes to where the big orders are in the market. It's not, they don't fly up on low volumes. And if the whales haven't got their positions, it's not going to fly. They will wait for them at certain levels. And that's what you should do also. Solana, very strong, very nice. Big bounce, new high there. Coming back here, barely retesting this. I showed this double bottom on the daily charts. Didn't even get back to test that. Right. So Solana looks the best of them all on the weekly charts. Not even testing the halfway mark, the sweet spot. But you know, it's early days. The whole market is weighing down, so Solana will also come down most likely a little bit, getting some buying opportunities. I'm really keen on these levels here. I bought back here at the 180 levels. I showed you that early on the videos, and then now yet again some buying opportunities coming up. So really interesting what we see on cryptocurrencies at present. If we look at crypto bubbles here on the daily charts, it's just all red, just absolutely red. There's just the Trump coin is like 12% down, so even that hype is a little bit gone for that matter. There's a little bit of a green here, nothing. The week, still the bigger ones are still there. We have Chainlink up 13% for the week, Solana up 21% for the week. So some of the bigger ones are still there. Bitcoin, can't really see how much but it's slightly up for the week. So it doesn't look that bad for the week. I mean, monthly, we see of the bigger ones still doing very well. Solana up 28%, Bitcoin 8%, Doge 9.8%. I don't trade these other memes and funny things. That's not me. I'm not that. I'm not going to trade a fart coin. All right, XRP still up 40% for the month. Still strong. And when you look at the bigger markets, I always say, when in doubt, scroll out. But let's have a look at this. People are now sort of panicking about the fact that the market doesn't have the momentum up the page. But let's just sit back and consider this. Look at the yearlies. It's just green. Absolutely green. Cardano up 100%. In any investment, that's good. Doge 348. Chainlink 76%. Right? XLM 275%. Those are all stuff that I've got. XRP up 507%. Bitcoin Cash 83%. Litecoin 72%. Those are all positions I've got. Uniswap up 119%. It's a good investment. Solana up 186%. HBAR up 342%. Why are we panicking? Yes, we don't want to give back profits, but we're not going to come down to the levels of a year ago easily. Okay, so it just shows us that the market in general is still very bullish. So this just gives us always an idea, a bigger picture of what's happening in the markets. Look at the dollar index. It's not fading. The dollar strength is, yeah, we did break down. Definitely, we did break down. We see a little bit of a bounce coming in here at this area. Yeah, definitely. It wasn't even a level I was really watching, but okay, it's there. So now we're between a rock and a hard place. We found support here 1, 2, 3 times. So usually it breaks on the 4th attempt if it breaks. So I would still say, let's get a retracement. Let's get some dollar strength in there. I've got a few dollar longs on divergence trades on my mentoring group. So I really would love a little bit of a few days of dollar strength coming in. pushing those. Like I've got a long on the US yen and a short on the euro US. There's one more. I think I've got a long on the US Swiss also. So I need a little bit of strong bullishness on the dollar. So if I can get this, but it's still got this area here to negotiate. So, but if it can push through for the retest and then fail over from there, personally, I would be a very happy person, a very happy trader. But right, we will see what happens. But finding support here, I would love to see a retest, and that's the coup de grace then. What's going to happen? Even if it falls over from here, I will get, not so nervous, but I will just be so right. Let's say dollar bulls should get nervous for that matter. But this is now the time, and this week and next week will be the time to decide what we want to do. Do we want to be dollar bullish? If I look at the bigger picture, the dollar is bullish. But if you look at the RSs here on that intraday stuff, look at the 4-hour charts. This is your longer term pictures. I mean, the dollar can still retrace here back to this for a retest. Yes, no problem. And I would love it because this is overextended. And we're starting to see double tops and so forth, but it's not confirmed yet. I can't say it's turning bearish on the long term. But if you look at the 4-hour charts here, look at the dollar. It was up there. You saw it in the green zone for a long time now. Even the CAD. They were up there fighting, and suddenly the dollar starts to fall. Now, usually my 4-hour indicator here is a very early indication of the moves in the currencies. And the overall dollar is definitely pushing down. You can see even from the previous bar to this bar, it is still showing weakness coming in on the 4-hour charts. So in general, on the shortest time frames, yes, we have to understand that we're seeing a weaker dollar here. Definitely. Although this looks very strong. So that's why the markets are very difficult at present. Getting into trades, I said to my mentoring group, oh guys, this morning, wait patiently for your trades. Don't go do stupid, silly things. Don't just trade because you think you must trade. Don't say I'm a trader, I have to trade. Remember always, you don't have to trade. You only have to trade when you get setups and entries on well-tested strategies which you are happy with. That's why I've got well-tested strategies on divergences, getting me into some dollar longs. Yes, it's nerve-wracking. However, the history over the last 20 years have proven to me that those strategies has got a high probability of working, and that's why I still entered those trades. Although it's counterproductive on my strength here, nothing say the dollar can't go up. Divergences usually tells me that the trend is about to change, or there might be a good strong bounce. So just sit tight and wait until you get the right opportunities. Don't overtrade. That's it. Right. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.